Hey everyone, this is Mariah from the Petite Planner, and this is my March plan with me. I am sticking to this theme I've been doing the past few months that might work well for y'all. It's guided by these stickers that I bought, the Carpe Diem ones. The link is down below, and these two sets match but come in two sizes. And I'm going to use my new Sharpie S Notes again like I did last month, so I matched some colors. They have some awesome colors. Now, if you need dark colors, it's not great, so I wasn't able to match like the navy blue in these stickers. But I did get the lime and the pink, and I grabbed a pencil, a pen, and a ruler, and an eraser if you're going to plan with a pencil. And that's really all you need to get started this month. This year, I've really been working on showing you super simple layouts for those of you who are either just starting out or who really just need something a little bit more minimal but still want the color and a cute factor, and that's where stickers come in perfect. So start with your pencil and sketch everything out, then hit it with a pen, y'all. It's far less stressful. I actually sketched this month's layouts while I was sitting in the car. If you saw me on Instagram, I was sitting in the car waiting for my daughter to come out of her a rehearsal for a show she's in, and I did with my pencil and ruler. I was able to just kind of set my journal in my lap and sketch it out. And then now I'll go over it with pen. It's already planned out. And that's kind of the way I get my planning done. I'll take it and do all the basic sketches in the middle of life. I do a little bit of sitting as a mom. And then don't be afraid to erase. That's the beauty of it, is if I just go with the pen, I'm going to make mistakes. Now, I make mistakes, y'all, even with the pencil. So don't be afraid of that. Okay, just making sure I got my calendar right. I always do a pretty simple, basic calendar spread. This is what I actually use the most. So I really kind of go with a couple different basics, and then I'll label things a little bit different. But once you find something that really works for you, all you have to do is tweak it a little each month if you want, it to kind of look a little bit different. You don't have to think outside of the box and come up with something new every single month. You've got to find what works best for you. For years, I bought planners because I was like, I'm going to use these. And I just never quite got with it. But using my bullet journal as kind of a creative outlet and creating pages that work for me has been the best thing. So here we go with stickers. If you watch January and February's videos, you know that I've been using the sticker set, and I'm letting that guide kind of the cute factor, as I call it, each month. I did invest in both sizes because it's super helpful. So I would recommend you buy both if you're going to go this route, because like here's matching bike stickers, but this smaller size works way better on my page than the bigger size did. I did notice something on these two sets. Look, St. Patrick's Day on the big set and President's Day on the small set. So I don't know about that, but you'll see that in these sets, a lot of them are duplicates in different sizes, so you can use them on different pages. There'll be some errors, I guess. I don't know about that, guys. But you'll also have a few different stickers. Sometimes the smaller set has some little tiny shapes, like I saw. I'll pull them out in a second. I think I'm going to use them. These little tiny hearts, here they are, that don't even come in the big set. So I like the variety if I want to, like here, if I want to use the same stickers, or just adding a bit more that fits the color scheme. I'm indecisive, you guys, this month. I want to put a sticker there. I don't know what sticker. So I'll come back to that in a minute. Let's add some color. I feel pretty good that I'm working on this today, which is Sunday, actually, the 27th. We'll see if I get it posted today or tomorrow. If you're on my email list, I feel like I'm always telling y'all, sorry, I'm so far behind, but that is just my life right now. I can't seem to really get on top of things, and I don't know if I'm the only one feeling that way. I'm not sure exactly if it's just that things are busy, if maybe life after a weird stretch of years is getting back to normal, kind of. But I do try to take time eventually before the month is over to do some planning. So this month I'm going to try a weekly spread that includes the week and includes my habit tracker for the week, my mood tracker, and then some meal planning and just some notes sections. This kind of layout has worked fairly well for me in the past. I haven't done this exact design. I was inspired by a template, a stencil that I have, and I'm just decided to kind of freehand something similar. And so I would do one of these for each week. I think there's like 5 weeks in March, or partial weeks or whatever. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, splitting the weekend there, which I don't know if that's smart because, well, no, lately my weekends are actually got less going on than the week. But I'm going to try this month. I haven't done it in a while, and I'm going to see if it works well for me to kind of have everything on one page. Sometimes I don't track my habits as well when I have to flip pages. So we'll see. And if you've ever tried this, let me know how it works for you. I would love to hear from anybody that prefers kind of it all on one page. Okay, and so I'm going to put the habits and then the mood tracker and maybe a little notes at the bottom. And so I have no excuse during the week not to track all of this because I need to get back. I feel like it's like January or something. Isn't that when we all say like, I need to get back into better habits and everything? And I'm saying it again on March. Okay, there's one for each day. And then I have 3 habits I generally track. If you've been following me, you know that they are the exciting water intake, which I'm usually really good at, exercise, which I like to be good at, and sleep. But I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to track my sleep right now anymore. I'm not sure. So I'm going to do the same design here for the mood. 7 boxes. If you know me, I track anxiety and depression. So I'm going to split this. Actually, I'm going to move this. I think I'm going to add another full column for a row. I guess that would be a row, not a column. Y'all, my mind is just a mess. So let me add another row, and we'll have one for anxiety and one for depression. I actually think some form of anxiety, well, and or depression is what has me with a huge case of procrastination. I don't know if it's even procrastination. I do other things, but I just pushing things off to the last minute, like setting up my planner for next month. I'm going to wait until the last day of the month. I'm not sure. So I really think looking each week closer at my anxiety and depression might help me see what's going on in comparison to anything else I put up there on that weekly calendar. Like, are busier weeks more stressful? I mean, I would say yes, but I'm going to add some color to this. I mean, you'd think busy weeks are more stressful, but sometimes I find that the busier my week is, the more productive I am. I'm not sure it makes sense, or maybe it does. Is anyone else like that? I don't know. So my key, though, if you know me, I keep saying that this time, I rate anxiety and depression on a scale from 0 to 2, which is really mellow, 3 to 4, a little bit more going on. 5 to 6 is starting to be a little bit of a challenging mental state for me. So I'm going to switch away from the green calm color. I just wanted to use my 2 colors, so I'll use patterns. 7 to 8, no, not great. And 9 to 10 is not, I'm not sure. That's not great, y'all. You don't want 9 to 10. I don't want 9 to 10. But I'm going to try this all on one page. We'll see how this goes. And then over here, I'm going to do some meal planning. I would like to start making better choices about eating because I do think it impacts my mood, but we also are hardly home at night lately. So I don't know. I'm hoping if I do some planning, maybe I can get some ideas for good meals to toss together to take out and about with us. If anyone, this has nothing to do with planning, well, except for meal planning. If anyone has any great on-the-go, like family-friendly things. I would love your ideas. I really need some ideas for things I can make, I guess, in the afternoon and take with me in the car if we're going to baseball practice or we have a game, or if I'm going to sit in a parking lot while I wait for the drama child to get out of rehearsal. Any ideas? Please comment and let me know what you do on your busy nights. Oh my goodness, I like this for kind of a to-do list, but I think the bigger one will work better. So that's another cool thing about both sizes. And I think green will work better. I haven't pulled much of the navy into this spread because there wasn't any of the S-note markers that matched the navy. And then I'm just going to add stickers to this page. And then you would do a weekly for however many weeks there are this month coming up. I think there's 5. And it'd be really quick setup if you do them all at once. I'm going to finish mine up after this. I'll fill in, 4 more pages. And then I'll be all set up for the month. In theory. Maybe. For everyone who made it this far, thank you again for tuning in and listening to me. Please let me know if there's anything you know. If you just need to chat or if you're struggling with anything, reach out. Leave a comment. Email me. I'm here and would love to chat. Thanks again for all of your support. And let me know any ideas you have in the future you'd like me to try for next month. Bye, guys.